Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today I'm sharing my pamper routine. This video has been requested for a long while now, so I'm happy I'm finally getting around to filming it for you all. Since I was in middle school, I always had a self-care pampering routine. I would literally write down all my steps, and my best friend at the time would do the same thing. We would share ideas and products. Walgreens was definitely our favorite place to be, and as a little girl I watched my mom take pride in the way she presents herself every day, even when she just stays home. I was taught well in this aspect. My mom certainly raised her girls to take really good care of ourselves. I'm starting with soaking in the bathtub. I'm using the Dr. Teal's Epsom salts. I didn't have any bath bombs left when I was filming this video, so I'm adding in some essential oils, which I also need more of and will be ordering soon. Epsom salts really helps with muscle tension. It relaxes me. It also reduces swelling and draws toxins from your body. This is my weekly routine, especially after filming my extended cleaning videos. I don't stay in the bath for too long, maybe 15 minutes or so. During that time, I exfoliate my legs and shave and then jump into the shower. The body scrub that I'm using smells amazing, and it also makes my skin super soft and moisturized after. I love my Origins scrub, but this one is inexpensive, so I use it more often. I'm also washing and conditioning my hair, but honestly, my hair routine is a whole process and it takes kind of long, so that'll have to be a separate video. I've shared my hair products before. I'm using the same ones except for the Pantene. I buy huge bottles of conditioner because a small amount doesn't work for my hair type. I literally need globs to saturate my entire head. My hair is way too thick and long, and detangling it is an arm workout. Lastly, I'm washing my face with the Tatcha Deep Cleansing Polish and then drying off. Immediately after I get out of the shower, I use my rose water spray all over my body. This has been a game changer in how extremely soft my skin is. I love the smell too. I have another bottle that I showed in one of my vlogs. I keep that by my vanity now. I couldn't find the same one because it was sold out, but they're the same thing. To moisturize my skin, I'm using this Aveeno lotion that I've shown before. It's very light, so I use it on its own during the day. In the evening, I use it with a few drops of oil to really lock in the moisture overnight. For my feet, I'm using a foot mask. I purchase these all the time from the Sephora website. I also have a hand mask warmer that I'll do last and swear by. It keeps my hands super soft. Now we're on to my favorite part, face masks. I've tried so many over the years, and Glam Glow is my favorite line, but I'm all out of that today, so I'm using the Boisha peel off mask. I'm not sure how to say that. First, applying my eye mask. These are the Tarte Pack Your Bags ones, my favorite. I also applied my hair mask and put it in a processing cap and put my hair towel back on to create heat. I actually left my mask on overnight, which is the way I get the best results since the heat creates overnight. My hair is so soft and manageable the next day. I have a heating cap, but my son doesn't like the look of it, and especially not the sound, so I don't use it anymore. So now my masks are dry and I'm wiping off any bits that were left behind with my toner. I have been using this one for 5 years and haven't strayed. I buy it in bulk on Amazon so I never run out. Now I'm applying my serums, eye cream, and moisturizer. I also use a rose quartz roller, and this time it's in my skincare fridge. It's so nice and cold. Shout out to Hailey Gamba for putting me onto this skincare fridge. I love her and her channel. She is the self-care queen. She's also so real and down to earth. I pick up a lot of things from her channel. I'll have her channel linked in the description for you guys. So for my extra hand care routine, I'm using a hand mask, but also a hand warmer. I bought this on Amazon. It's by Conair and I love it. After my session is over, I let my hands dry, then I apply my aloe infused gloves. Lastly, I brush my teeth, I use my lip scrub pencil, eat my sleeping gummies, apply my lip sleeping mask, and put my teeth whitening trays in and call it a night. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you all in my next video.